European time. Warm welcome to you all, wherever you are right now. Welcome to the Plant Breeding Innovation Showcase 2022, which is the first conference of the newly born Plant Breeding Network. My name is Giacomo Bastianelli, currently broadcasting from Italy, and I'm one of the ambassadors of the Plant Breeding Network and co-founder of Loungy, which is the platform that powers this event and network. I'm together with Tom. Hi, Tom. Tom is a PhD grad student in plant sciences from the University of Manchester. Tom is co-host of this conference and the main ambassador of the network. Tom, to you.
Hi, everyone. Before I give you a summary of the agenda for the day, we'd like to thank our partners and sponsors of the event, who are MDPI and the journal Plants, Two Blades and East West Seed. I encourage you to have a look at their pages by clicking on their logos and connect with them. For those of you working on Potato, I'd like to direct you to the special issue that Plants is working on. There's more information about this on their page. From a quick look at the attendees list, we have more than 200 attendees and more than 20 countries represented. We are delighted with the interest from the scientific community. This is the first event hosted by the Plant Breeding Network, and we hope to join you for many more in the future. Now over to the agenda for the day. Our keynote speaker today is Peter Van Es from Two Blades. He will be starting the conference with his talk on leveraging our knowledge on the plant immune system to improve disease resistance in crops. Following Peter, we have the two following talks. Peter Willem Hendricks of Charles Sturt University will present the impact of selecting and breeding for wheat early shoot vigor on competitive traits. Secondly, we have Emmy Doog of IVLO, the Flanders Institute for Agriculture, Fisheries and Food, who will present RI technology as a breeding tool to alter plant morphology. We will then have a panel discussion, which offers an open discussion among your fellow attendees. We have two rooms available, one of which is wheat breeding advances. Two of our speakers today are focused on advances on wheat breeding, so please join this room to discuss your research on wheat. Our second room was proposed by Steve Apfelbaum, where the following problem is to be addressed. How can we put together a program to accelerate the breeding of wild crop plant relatives for phenotypic traits, such as increased grain size, without compromising the genotypic and phenotypic diversity that attracts us to them in the first place? If you wish to join a room, please navigate to the session, then select stream and type room 1 or room 2 in the chat. You will receive an invite to join the group you have indicated. Please do this soon, i.e. before the panel discussion starts. For our third talk, following the panel discussion, Steve Apfelbaum, founder of Applied Ecological Services, will present ensured genotype and phenotype diversity of wild harvested seed during breeding selection of North American native perennial plant species. This is followed by Tofazzal Islam, professor and founding director of Institute of Biotechnology and Genetic Engineering of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Agricultural University, who will present development of durable blast-resistant wheat through molecular and mutation breeding, progress and challenges. At the end of the day, there is plenty of time to view our posters found under the posters tab, as well as to book individual group meetings. When our introduction ends, please move along to the next session to join Peter's keynote presentation.
Thank you, Tom. Just a couple of logistics and practical information. First of all, you will see here in the info tab of this session those logistics information that I mentioned, but I will read it to you. To watch a talk, if you're watching us right now, it means that you probably figured out how it works. It's quite easy. You just click on the session, click on the stream tab to watch the video stream. If it is a pre-recorded video, click play whenever you want to start a video, which is going to be able to start at the right time. We have made the choice of pre-recorded videos to make it easy for everyone across different time zones to participate. And even if the video is pre-recorded, the speaker is actually online to answer your questions and also available to jump on a video call in the platform. In terms of interaction with speakers and participants, if you have a question, use a Q&A tab, which is available in each session. You can also see other questions asked. You can comment and vote them. And if you have something to share with all the participants, can also be a document, please use the chat tab. In terms of networking and video calls, this event is made to foster interaction and collaboration. So we encourage you to connect with our attendees and book meetings one-to-one or multi-person in the platform. You can use the networking slot at the end of each day for both watching the poster sessions and for networking and video call. And with this, let's move to the next session, which is the Peter Van Ness and our keynote talk for today. See you in a few seconds. Thank you.